Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Nettner with your Wednesday, July 3rd morning commentary. Let's again start off with the weather maps and look at the 1 to 5 day here. A little bit of a change from the last two maps. As we look at this, we start to see some rainfall totals that really are building up. Trade might even see some of the rainfall totals on this map as being too much. So we'll get back to what that could mean to the grain markets later. But just seeing some of these totals, especially in South Dakota, reaching 7 inches here. So that's pretty extreme there. Obviously, conditions won't be improving for that state. Over in corn, we've seen the last 2 days 420 chart gap on December corn has acted as support 2 days in a row. We'll see if that even generates a little bit more buying to bounce this market up towards resistance. First chart resistance on the December corn is 449, so there's plenty of room up above this market for an easy chart bounce here, which means very light selling resistance. In fact, there was talk yesterday that all the selling above the corn market is very light. So even though we're expecting reduced volume today, it may not take too much buying volume to at least cause a short-term technical bounce in this market. Over in beans, we're looking at the 38% retracement there as possible support. That was hit last night, 897 and a quarter. So now we'll see if that acts as support, just like the chart gap did for corn. Also for beans, similar to the corn, first chart resistance not seen until 933. So again, that leaves some relatively easy upside chart room there. And that map that we showed to start this video, that 1 to 5 day heavy rains, that could suggest we'll leave the good to excellent rating at the already low 54% for the beans. That could also cause some support through this week. Over in wheat, just to quickly mention, as we saw on that map, rains might slow down the harvest. It's been pretty much on pace so far, but that's a nice reason to give wheat a chance to follow the other two grains, also looking for a technical bounce there. In cattle, we have the setup we need to see a higher cash trade this week. We have show list down 20,000. We have packer profits near all 2019 highs. So we'll see if that actually results in improved bids. For now, futures and cattle remain sideways. A lot of people buying early in the week looking for the seasonal bounce, but still having to wait until we start to see cash improve. We'll see if those bids do improve this week. We do have the proper setup for it, so we'll just have to wait and see what we get for Kansas, Texas bids. So that's what we have here for you this morning. If you have any questions, call us 800-551-4626 or visit us on the web, allendale-inc.com.